Hello, good morning everybody. Sorry we are late here, like 6 minutes into time. We'll look at this pairs quickly. We'll start off with your strategy part today. So yesterday on this chart there was a sell. We were looking for a sell from when the price went below this level. We were looking for a sell from this time when this one showed up. This was a sell. So somehow, instead of price continue to the lower side, it retraced back and even touched this cloud formation. So these are resistance. This is called a dynamic resistance. As long as the price does not clearly break beyond it, we actually expect a sell. So as it is at the moment, if you didn't sell it yesterday, you still have a chance to sell it today. Just as the price needs to give you a very clear signal, especially around this zone. Yeah. So we'll have a sell there. If price can pull back up to this level, this will be the correct place to look for a sell from. So it's possible. So this is a sell. We have a support here which was broken. Price came back, it went down. It should come back the same place before you can pick a sell. We expect that sell to push price up to this daily support here. So if you're on this chart and want to trade correctly, you should be looking for a sell position. Expect more sell orders from within this point up to around 1.24798. So we'll add this trend. On the daily, we are still selling. As you can see, we still have an active sell from within this point. We are still selling. On the 4 hours, we are still selling. The price broke up, it came back down. So this is a sell, just that you ought to have sold earlier. If you didn't sell it, expect even further retracements up to this level. So you may still sell it at the moment. Just pick a sell. You can still sell it even as you speak. Sell it, but have your stop loss above this level here. So it looks far, but that's the safest place to have your stop loss from. Then your take profit should be below at this point here. So if price fails to move to the lower side and instead it heads up and even hits this stop loss, then you're supposed to look for a sell from around 1.2789 to 1.27698. These are very, very good sell place. So we've sold it now, but if price fails to go to the last side, instead it pulls back upwards and even takes out the stop loss, then we'll resell it again around this level, this zone. Euro USD. So previously Euro USD was a sell. We want to add this. We expected a sell from it, but somehow it spiked upwards and even took out our stop loss. So this is how it looks on the daily. The trend is still downwards. As you can see, we are still being contained. Price is still being contained below this cloud formation. So as long as the price touches this cloud formation but does not close above it, this is a sell. So we expect further sell positions on this one. You should be expecting even further sell orders, and something like this is likely. The price is likely to break above the cloud formation but should not go beyond this trend line, which is also a very, very good place to sell from. There. So if you're looking at this chart correctly, if you are looking at the daily chart, we are still into a sell, yes, but in case the price breaks above this cloud formation, this is what I call cloud formation, we expect price to continue upwards up to this level. So we move forward, move to our next chart, and there should be SP500. SP500, previously we were looking for a buy, so we want to see how it went. There's very, very little movements on this, and it didn't move our way, and it also didn't move against us. So we are still buying it. Nothing has changed since yesterday. We are still looking for a buy, especially if price can come back up to this level. Assuming the current day's candle pulls back down up to this support, then this will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So we basically want price to come back up to this level, then we'll pick a buy from that point. We expect that buy to push price even higher up to this level here. So as it is, we are retracement like this, and then a move to the upper side is highly likely. We move to the next chart, which is gold. All this here. So on gold, yesterday we recommended a sell. We actually had a level at this point. We had a level at that point. Then we said that that was a very good daily level, that as long as the price is contained below it, we expect price to proceed even lower. So as it is, we took a sell. If you remember, the account here yesterday actually took a sell from within the zone. We had a stop loss above this point, and then our take profit is here. So if you're looking at this chart at the moment, you should be looking for a sell. You can pick a sell even where the price is at the moment. Have your stop loss above this level, and then have your take profit here. So you take a sell, have your stop loss, and then have a take profit at the bottom, which is here. So we move forward, we move to our next chart, and that should be Brent oil. Brent oil, yesterday we were looking for a sell. The price is currently retracing to the upper side, but the overall trend is still downward. So as it is at the moment on Brent oil, this is a sell. As you can see, the price actually went below the cloud formation. So this is a sell, but we are waiting for a clear sign that we're supposed to sell. So the best place to sell from based on price action is actually here. Price is supposed to pull back up to this level. Where the price is at the moment is still a very good place, but wait for a clear sell signal, especially on the lesser time frames. If you see a sell signal within this zone, then that will be the correct place to look for a sell. So on Brent oil, we have a support, a support, a support. It's a break. It came back to the same point, and currently as we speak, we are looking for a sell. So on the 1 hour, we are still selling. there are signs that the price is likely to retrace back to the upper side, but we are still looking for a sell. And then on the 4 hours, on the 30 minutes, sorry, we still have the same place. There's still no sign for selling. So if price gets to this level and then we see maybe a pin bar or an engulfing candle or maybe an inside bar, all of them should be bearish. Then we look for a sell from that point. That sell should push price up to this level. We have a support here, where if price is to come down from 68.959, then you expect it to go up to this level. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's OS. So if you're listening to me in YouTube or maybe whichever media you're using, then you feel free to like this page. You should subscribe so that anytime we give a new video, you're able to see them. And then you can also be able to leave your comments here. Leave any comment you have, you can leave it here so that at least I know the charts you want me to talk about. If you need, maybe here I've only talked about like 6 symbols here, but maybe you want me to talk about something else. So any chart you want me to talk about other than the ones I've mentioned, you can still have them here and look at them properly, just the same way we looked at the others. We'll check everything including trend, just anywhere where we expect the chart to be going. So thank you very much. See you again tomorrow at the same time.